New to our inventory at DKR Trucks is stock number 26807. It is a 24 Ram 3500 crew cab diesel 4x4 with the service body. It is a dually. It has a 3,500-pound Ventura crane, manual outrigger, tethered remote. This truck has extremely low mileage. It has been serviced and it's ready to go to work. $22,882 miles. Give us a call at 817-239-7353.